Okay. Let's not ruminate on that. Let's play some Animal Crossing. So I paid off my loan finally. I went to someone's island on Tuesday. No, Wednesday. It was Wednesday. Wednesday. It was Wednesday. And I made a bunch of bells on the stock market. Like, a lot. So I paid off my loan. Not like a whole bunch, just like a $500,000. I think that's a lot, like, relatively speaking. Let me lower my monitor. You need to double for a minute while I fix that. No! There we go. Perfect. Perfect! Yeah! It's a bit hard to do it now because nobody has any money. Least of all me. But that sounds really self-centered. I just mean that I'm broke. That's what I'm trying to say. Not that I'm suffering more, just that, like, I'm broke. Viv knows how to talk good. Money! What's up, Agnes? Drinking a sody pop? Yes. Let's chat. This ain't over yet, no matter what the sun says. So Gulliver was here today. He's got good outfits today. Oh no. I like the chat. But Agnes, I'm gonna tell you this. You're not a chat. You're a pig. Fun French joke! Anyway. Oh, Gulliver gone. Like, no, he's over here, right. I think he's still hanging about. No, there he is. Hi, Gulliver. Bye, Gulliver. Nothing fun about French. You're right. You are correct. You are very much correct. French horns are pretty fun. So are French fries. I like French fries. They're fries, but they're Frenched. I should change my town tune at some point. Once again, for the diligent repayment of your home loan. Yes, yes. I must ask, were you prompt moments motivated by desire for expansion? Because if so, I have good news. Would be more than happy to extend your further credit for construction. Do please come see me if you'd like to discuss the details more. What I really need to do is fix up the way my town is set up, because I want to have the thing a bit more clean. 200 bonus miles. No, French fries are Belgian, I think. What's in Nook shopping today? A hose reel, a lawnmower, paisley bandana, sporty shades. Frog tea? How can I say no? Fucking wig. Hate that wig. I'm buying it. Yep. It's Animal Crossing live service moments. So check it out. I have almost 1,000,000 bells, which is pretty cool. By playing that stock market. Yeah, I'm good for right now. Oh wait, no, I wanted to come in here for that. Oh, I forgot. I forgot. I would expect this. Oh hey, it's another one of these. I got 3 of these, like, in such fast succession. So I have one inside of my house right now, I gave one away, and now I have a 3rd one. Also, Kix was here yesterday, which is pretty neat. Yeah, I bought a bunch of bags. Like, including the one I have on right now. Be rolling in it, let's go. Bagworm! Finally! Huh. Looking for this friggin' thing. Jesus. Finally I can give this to Blathers and he'd be like, he hates it. He hates it. You hate to see it. I will bag this worm. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad. I got worm in a bag. Let's see what new recipe people are cooking up today, too. Oh, I should fix up this hole. There we go. Right then. Ah, right. I want to bring this to Blathers. And so I want to grab all 3 fossils first before I inspect it. Actually, let's do that right now. I don't want to do like 5 trips. Economize on your time. Work smarter, not harder. That's a good mantra to lead. But I do want to work hard when it comes to like things that mean a lot to me, like this show, for instance. And probably what we're gonna do next with a friend of mine. Yeah, it be like, you know, that's the Animal Crossing experience. You're like, wait, what was I doing? Oh god, wait, what was I doing? That's just me playing any video game ever. I think I'm gonna make this all bamboo up here. So I'm gonna dig up this one and put it like pretty close to the other 2. Put it right here. This is a nice spot. No, not there. Right about... Not there! Directly in front of me. Why do you keep doing that? Oh, I'm so pissed. Come on, just right... Ugh! Why it gotta be like this? I want it right smack dab in the middle, because that's such a good spot. But my game's like, no, over to the side. Ugh. You know what? I'm gonna move this tree. Let me move this tree. I'm gonna eat this egg. Yeah! I have the power. Just bury that in a hole. I can just eat the bamboo shoot? Hella, yes. You can eat every single type of Easter egg, which is kind of why they're useful, aside from just being, like, materials. Most materials in this game have, like, multiple uses, so it's good to discover what they can do. I'm not sure how long the eggs stay in your inventory, like, after the Easter event is over. Yeah, I know, but just raw out of the ground in this game is just very weird to me. I know you can eat bamboo shoots. I've had them in ramen before. But, I just didn't expect you to be like, you can just dig it up and shove it in your mouth. It's fine. Don't worry about it. To be honest, I'm not exactly sure how bamboo shoots are prepared. Yeah, they kind of don't, despite having like kitchens and refrigerators and stuff like that. But refrigerators in this game are like another place to change clothes. Animal Crossing premium moments. Yeah, for sure. No, but this is Earth Egg. It's fine. It's rock candy. It's dirt. It's fine. Just eat dirt. Ever eaten dirt before? Just eat some dirt. It's fine. It's self-care. Just shove a little dirt in your mouth. Salmonella pride. Hell yeah. Rabies pride flag. Oh, God. I love the internet because you can say some stupid garbage on there. People take it, like, more seriously than it needs to be. But sometimes you have to. It's epitome of vertical slice on the internet where, like, you can say, like, rabies pride and someone will take it seriously, but, like, you know, there's some things on the internet that are, like, too edgy for them not to be, like, taken seriously. You know what I mean? I guess it's anything like taking shit posts seriously and, like, calling for genocide. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, Poe's Law. I don't have a thing anymore. A net. I just noticed. Also, you know what else I've noticed? This vaulting pole lasts forever. I think. I don't think I've had to reuse it once. Oh no, you don't. Give me that recipe. Sorry, I still have this tree in my pocket. Oh no, it's a shirt. Young royal shirt. What's that look like? Hold on. I'll go in my house and get some better lighting. I can't tell. Oh, let me in. That's right, I think, Greena's recipe. Oh, I see. It's kind of like, oh, no, it's not. It looks like young Lord Fauntleroy. Gross. Disgusting. Yeah, I guess so. But you and also you can just, like, you can carry a lot of stuff with you, but I can understand why you wouldn't do that. It does look like the Persona, man. This game's a pretty good game. I don't believe you're not owning a Switch because it's kind of hard to get him right now. With, you know, everything being a disaster currently. Not everything, but you know what I mean, right? Ooh. Now that's some contrast. This is a cool living room. I have to work on building my next couple of rooms soon. Or expanding the one I have right now. Let me just start by building this. Yeah, it's disgusting. The way scalpers work right now, gross. Like, the only thing I can say is at least it's not like a necessity item, because people are like probably scalping a lot of necessity items right now, like hand sanitizer and whatnot, which is probably going to only get more and more expensive as time goes on because of the way we're handling this entire epidemic. And by we, I mean America. Let's check it out. I got outfits. I got some drips. Hey, and then red. Hey, look at that. Look at this. Respect the drip. Yeah, I need to work on some more. I feel like I can coordinate them a lot better, but I need to put more thought into it. Let me build that, let me get those sticks out so I can build another thingy. Another net. Craft Mr. Netman. Craft me a net. Bum 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 bum. Think of all the bugs I will now get. I'm a lyricist now. Viv lyricist moments. want to have more trees, but I'm not sure where I want to put them. I want to make things a lot more neat, but I'm not sure exactly how to go about doing that as far as my town is concerned. Let me grab some iron too. I have all these bags that I bought from Kix, another island. Canvas backpack, the dry bag, traveler's backpack, travel pouch, square backpack, knapsack, hardshell backpack, and shoulder bag. Right, iron. That's what I'm thinking about. Also, I have gold now. I mentioned that last... I don't know if I mentioned that last stream, but I have gold now. Yes, he's bags and also shoes. You'll probably, like, join up with the Able sisters soon enough. Probably along with Label. Okay, let me put away this last chunk of iron. And let's go discover what we have. I want to learn about this bagged worm. Bag worm. Worm the bag. Bag worm. Worm that bag. In we go. I'm big multitasking. I'm doing stuff like how Wooly plays what's it called? Half-Life. Black Mesa, whatever you want to call it. Mouse in one hand, controller in the other. Tell me about this bagged worm! I wish to know. Oh, he hates it. He hates it. The bagged worm is in fact not a worm at all, but a caterpillar instead. Okay. The filthy fraud uses silk and leaves to spin a cozy bag for it to hide inside, hence the name. Some find it cute the way bagworms hang from trees, but the truth is they're gluttonous monsters. These beasts love to stuff their bug gullets full of leaves, devouring the very trees they hang upon. Wretched villains is what they are. Anywho, look, they just hungry, brothers! They just hungry! What's the problem? Anywho, my sincerest thanks for your donation. Although bugs invade my assistance, rest assured the wretched thing with the best of care here. Bugs are pretty neat. I too am horrified by them, but I love the way Blouse is like, wow, look at the scales on this fish. Oh, the disgusting scales on this wretched bug. Ugh, I am projectile vomiting as we speak. it's hilarious. Oh wow, really? Ka-ching! Thanks, Blathers. Free money, baby! I guess on like their wings, it depends on what type we're talking about. What type of bug we're referring to. Let's see what's going on in people's houses. I'm respecting your privacy by knocking, but asserting my dominance as the player character by coming in anyway! Hi, Victoria. What are you making today? I hear you can be sarcastic to your villagers. A magazine rack? Cool. I have the idea when I fell asleep. Maglev's in love. I wish they would make a show about that. I wish to know how to build this thing. I love the way Animal Crossing villagers look in this game. They look like they're made of felt. Yes, it is. I think they say the same thing regardless of like they have like a base dialogue based on their on what type of villager they are. Cause Jock villagers do the same thing when they're building things and whatnot, and so on and so forth. Terra body, Ratkitzel wing. Teach me this thing. Wait, I'm still missing one. What's the other one? It is good things in store. Wow, I have like 200 items now. Ooh, that's big. Big miles. Magazine rack, magazine, and wood. Okay. Maybe later. Alright then. Let's sell these fossils for a considerable price. Ah, I'll buy it at a high price. Got a selection of good things for sale, stranger. I want to sell. I'm offering you these bones. Take these bones. Ooh. That's good money for a bunch of bones. Thank you. Thank you, boys. Even if you are race faking just like Tom Nook, I support you in your race faking endeavors. I'm never gonna get tired of that stupid joke, because it's only funny to me, but I think it's hilarious the idea that Tom Nook and the Nooklings are just race faking. It's not even that funny. Like you know when things, you laugh at something, it's not even that funny, but you laugh at it anyway? It's like that. Alright, so... we're gonna feng shui a little bit. Hup. And then, I think right about here... Aw, damn it, really? A little bit further back, then. Oh, come on! Animal Crossing! You know what? This is fine. This is fine. I'm gonna move this peach tree. It's also just kind of in the way, but I like how this is framed now with the two trees on each side. That's good stuff. Let me take this pear tree and move it. I'm not sure I'm gonna move it to, though. What am I moving everything to? Wow. Jesus. Sorry to hear that. I'm really sorry to hear that. Why do I only get 7 every time? I never get the full 8. Alright, are you the Bells tree? Bells Rock. Yes. Bells tree. There we go. At least now I can move either my house or... Actually, let's move some houses around. I'm gonna move Sydney's house here and move it... Damn it, I could've sold that. Move it... I guess over here would be a good place. You don't want to keep these trees, though. I'm gonna make a bunch of, like, neighborhoods. I think all my villagers are probably gonna live over here, and I'll probably live amongst them. I'll make a bridge, probably over here for other people to live. Let me just move these trees. Then probably I'll play some more rounds of Just 99. So I like playing that. I forgot how much I loved like playing that game, but it's like so scary to play. People will just be better than you, and it's not like it's demoralizing in a way. Just like the gap is so sizable that you'll just die instantaneously if you're not fast enough. Or even if you are. Crawfish. Eat more peaches. Alright, you know, I think I'll move Sid, like, so I'm able to terraform, I'll, actually, let's just move her over here. This is a fine place. About as good a place as any. I'll just move the rest of them up on this, ledge here. I know what it's like, but like I need to get more upgraded, I think. But I'm not sure exactly how to do that. I just need to keep like upgrading and stuff like that. I could look it up to find out how, but I'm just gonna keep playing and just get there on my own time. One! 2! 3! Get it? Tree. 4! 5 and 6. Hello, bro. Alright, let's get up here. Drop off these trees. And move Sid's house over here. Looks like a really big, expansive, empty area. Means it's perfect for all these trees. I'll put one... put this tree right here. Oh, let me move it a bit over here. This one can go here. This one right there. This one right there. That one could go here. Wait, are the eggs just gone? I just noticed the eggs are just gone off the trees, I think. Yeah, they're just gone. Straight up. Wow. Fucked up and true. Okay. I'm gonna use the money I have right now and move Sid's house right smack dab over here. Balloon. Must get the balloon. Little lower. Bam! A 3-star island. Huh. No! Oh, there's another one right next to it? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. What is it? And that's money too! Oh, I'm pissed. Hold on. If I'm fast. If I'm fast. Okay. 1. No, you gotta be kidding me. Shit. I have another one. Oh, wait. Wait, yes. Ideas. I have 3 hardwood. I need a bit more. I have it. I got it. It's fine. Don't worry about it. We're almost there. I just gotta craft this. Okay. Where's the balloon? Balloon's over there. Balloon's over there. Balloon's over there. We're over there. Axe. Axe now. Come on. Just one more piece. Almost got it. Yes! Okay. Run. This is gonna be so clutch. Okay. Now where's that balloon? Balloon is... Where did it go? Coming from that direction. There it is! It's probably gonna be, like, not a whole lot either, but you know what? I don't care. Oh. See that? That's how you solve a problem. I'm a legend, baby. Hey, that's still 5,000 I didn't have before. 5,000's actually not a small amount. Sir, I wish to speak infrastructure with you. He just put that hot cup of coffee in his pocket! Sir! Let's talk infrastructure. Let's chat. There are a number of things we can discuss, but what do you have in mind? Layout changes. It says to chat about the layout of the island. As a resident representative, planning the location of the different structures falls to you, yes? As such, I'll bet you probably thought, oh, that building would be better elsewhere. Happens to the best of us. So I'm here for you. We can talk about layout changes that take full advantage of our island's terrain. Moving buildings is, of course, an elective service that are construction costs for you to cover. But don't let a few bells stop you from changing your island to its most ideal form, Now then, if there's a building you want in mind, we can discuss moving it. How about it, Let's talk relocation. An island home. Okay, who should we talk about moving that home? I want Sydney to be closer to everybody. Sydney? Understood. Construction costs will run you 50K. Oh, immediately? Oh. Okay. That's one of those things where it's like, oh yeah, you can do that later. Or it's just like, it'll happen a couple days later, but no, it's immediate. Harsh. Okay, let me fix up my axe first. And then, I only have one piece of wood? Damn, a little fail. Whoop. Already got this one. Oh, perfect. Just enough. Alright, I'm probably gonna worry about moving her around later. I do have a spot ready for her, so maybe I'll just build a bridge first instead. I'll put a bridge right over to that area so it's easier for me to get over there too. Instead of doing that. I hope it's not like way more. I think a gyro shows up there later, so it's not that big of a deal. So I can worry about that. So I don't have to worry about that as much. Mr. Nook, I have come to bargain. Let's talk infrastructure again. Bridges. Oh, curious about bridges and inclines, eh? Excellent, because with the resumes of resident services, we have something new for Getaway Package participants. The new service make it easy and fun to add major projects such as bridges and inclines to the island. Major projects don't come cheaply, though, no. However, everyone who lives on the island can freely contribute toward the construction fees. We can discuss your island hopes and dreams even don't quite have the funds together yet. Be advised, you only have either a bridge or an incline when constructing at any given time. So consider your plans carefully before discussing them with me, Now, what would you like to discuss? Build a bridge. Oh, you like a new bridge, Oh yes, bridges are a good way to connect land separated by rivers. Go ahead and pick one from our catalog, please. Log bridge, suspension bridge, stone bridge, wooden bridge, brick bridge, iron bridge. Let's just do a log bridge. Do I have to buy it now? A log bridge. Yes. Excellent. In that case, let's settle on location next. Use a bridge marker kit I've placed within your pocket to set aside some land for a bridge project. Use your kit near a river, and you'll be able to imagine how a bridge will look. I'm not sure you managed to, like, teleport that into my pocket, sir. I'm guessing it's one of your wild and wacky Tanuki abilities. I just drop it here, or no? Yes! This is the spot. Look off our bridge, let the land connect. My phone is ringing. Hello? Viv? Tom Nook here. Did you find a good spot for the log bridge? I found it. Yep, perfect spot. Wonderful. Now, part of the kit you set up, Lloyd will stay to collect donations for construction fees. Island residents can contribute little by little. Once we reach our goal, construction will begin. Of course, you can feel free to make whatever hefty donations you want. And if you don't make any hefty donations, our goal might never become a reality. Anywho, all construction donations will go to Lloyd. Then we'll talk again soon, Okay. Good evening, buddy. I will help with 30K. May I have 30,000 bells of donation, friend? Donate? You have support, chum. Okay. What else can I do now? Maybe I'll just visit in on some people. Like, what's Clay up to? I need to get more residents is what I need to do. Oh, hey. I wasn't expecting you. Let's chat. Some people on a night break today. What's just about to? Oh, I love that bit. Just before you bite your first thing of the day, when anything seems possible. You're not gonna give me food? Man. That was rude. Alright. I gotta organize the way these homes look. Because I want to move her house a bit over here. I want to move... So they're in like a bit more orderly of fashion. This is all haphazard. Move this tree around. Yada yada yada. Let me sell this crawfish. See how much it runs for. Probably not a whole lot, but you never know. I want to sell this thing in my pocket. Here's a crawfish. Crawfish. Sure, I would offer you 200 bells. Sold. I need more things to really do, because I really have a lot going on right now. If I had more villagers, I could talk to them, do more stuff with them, yada yada, but I can't exactly do that right now. I could just... I have all this fishing bait. May as well use it, I guess. Because I can find. Please don't be an egg, or I will be very confused. Yeah, there really is. But some people like do it for hours on end, and I'm like, how do you do that? How you do? That is a sea bass. I can assume. It works better if you have like friends with you to talk to and stuff like that. This is a mostly solo ordeal as far as like commentary goes. I don't know. I feel like I just should be like doing more in terms of commentary anyway, but I feel like I just never know what to say. I've talked about this a lot, but you know. Welcome to the Sea Bass Catching Hour. All we catch is sea bass. Nothing but sea bass as far as the eye can see. Squid. 2 sea bass and a squid. That's my new band. It's incredible. Now there's this. It's a zebra turkey fish. I already gave one a blood. I don't have to worry about that. I think with that, I'm all caught up. I guess I'll just look for an oarfish, but I think only comes in like rainy days and stuff like that. So I'll have to look around for that. Listen. It's not my fault the chain gets broken. Alright? It's not like I ever promised a sea bass catching stream. Wait, did I? I don't know if I actually said that. Because I already forgot. My memory is that bad, folks. Kind of incredible. Alright, so, what to do now? This is me checking in every now and then. But, I'll be streaming this on Saturday a bit earlier. Probably just to have this event show up. This one, the fishing tourney. I don't really feel like going on an island tour right now, so I probably won't do it today. This is kind of a shorter segment of Animal Crossing. I'll probably have, like, more stuff to do when I have, like, more villagers showing up. But for now, let's, take a small break. And play some, Tetris, just for a little bit. Just another half hour. I kind of got a headache, because today has been... Like, this entire week has been a disaster. And I just want to make things look as good as I can. Just kind of have this be... Talking is hard. I'm sorry. It's very hard. In any case, let me change the ticker. Because I didn't expect to play Tetris.